In this video, I will show you how to change audio language in YouTube videos. So you are watching a YouTube video in, for example, English language, and now you want to watch the YouTube video in a different language. Here's how to do it. First of all, open the video and then tap on this settings icon. And here, tap on audio track. And here, as you can see, these videos supports bunch of different audio language. So currently it's selected to English, and now if you want to hear or watch the video in a different language, just select any supported language from here and then play the video, and the video will be play in a different language. And here, note one thing, that every YouTube videos doesn't support this option. Only few videos have these options. You can change audio track. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.